In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage a Confluence space. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space you want to manage. Next, review the existing page structure to understand how content is currently organized. Create parent pages for major topics or projects and use child pages underneath them to keep related information grouped together. If pages are not organized properly, you can move them to different locations within the page tree to create a cleaner structure. To make important resources easier to access, add shortcuts to frequently used pages, documents, or external links in the space navigation area. You should also use clear and consistent page titles so team members can quickly find the information they need. For recurring content such as meeting notes, project plans, or reports, consider using templates to maintain consistency across the space. Adding labels to pages can also improve organization and make content easier to locate through search. You can further enhance navigation by using macros such as table of contents, page tree, and child pages to help users browse content more efficiently. It's also a good idea to create a home page or overview page that serves as a central hub for important information and links within the space. As your space grows, regularly review and archive outdated content to keep everything organized and relevant. Once your structure, navigation, and content organization are in place, your Confluence space will be easier to manage and more useful for your entire team. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage a Confluence space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.